Hello, Autumn by Shelley Rotner. Summer is ending, autumn is coming. The last flowers bloom, sunflowers hang their heavy heads, insects sing their goodbye song, swallows swoop. Change is in the air, it feels cool and crisp. The days get shorter, the shadows get longer. Trees and plants spread their seeds, new ones can grow in the spring. Milkweed seeds dance in the wind. Acorns and pine cones scatter on the forest floor. Maple seeds twirl to the ground. Autumn is here. Yellow, gold, red, and orange leaves fly and fall to the ground. We gather bouquets of beautiful leaves and rake and jump in colorful piles. Cold temperatures at night bring morning frost. Animals get ready for the cold days ahead. Squirrels collect and store nuts and build cozy nests. Owls find shelter in hollows in trees. Sheep and horses grow thicker coats to stay warm. Dogs and cats do too. Birds grow more feathers. Soon, turtles will bury themselves deep in the mud. Snakes and earthworms will burrow underground. Some animals migrate. They go south to find food, to stay warm, or to breed. Other animals get ready to go into a deep sleep until spring. Bees store extra honey in their hives. Bats and bears find caves. Some frogs will sleep in muddy ponds. People are getting ready for winter too. We harvest the last crops: carrots, pumpkins, squash, and apples. Cranberries float and turn red. Corn stalks turn golden. Many people preserve food to eat through the winter. We put our gardens to bed with covers of leaves. Autumn is in the time to celebrate Halloween and Thanksgiving. We give thanks for the bounty of food from our earth. The trees have lost their leaves and are bare. The soil is cold, the ground is hard, the days are shorter, or getting shorter and shorter, and then it's the shortest day of the year, and winter is here.